If you're about to format your Windows PC or reset your PC and wondering how you can find your Windows product key, then I'm going to show you step by step how to find this. No, so what you want to do, once you're inside the Windows, right click on the Windows key, go to settings, and from here, the left hand side, you want to click on system. Then scroll down to activation, click on that. Then you want to expand the activation state. You will also see that if your Windows is active or not. So if it's active and it states Windows is activated with a digital license linked to your Microsoft account, then there's nothing to worry about. All you have to do is reset or format your computer, reinstall Windows, and once you reach to the section where it's basically said that you should activate Windows, enter a product key, all you have to do is just choose the option that says I don't have a product key, and and you have nothing to worry about, because once your computer is finished resetting, you'll be able to sign into your computer, and you want to sign in with that Microsoft account. So once your computer is ready and you sign in with that Microsoft account, your Windows will automatically be licensed and activated for you. So there's nothing to worry about. But what if you don't have this, right? What if you just have the retail license key and you want to format your computer, you don't have a digital license and you need that key? Let me show you how to find that. Simple, go ahead and click the Windows key in your keyboard and simple type in reg. You will find the registry editor. Go ahead and open that. Go ahead and choose yes on your PC to open that, and you want to simply expand the H key local machine. Then go ahead and expand software. Then you want to export Microsoft. Scroll all the way down, guys, and you want to look for Windows NT. So you want to go ahead and ensure that you scroll all the way down to the bottom to where you'll find W. You'll find Windows NT. Here it is. Go ahead and expand this. Then you want to expand the current version. And from here, you want to scroll all the way down to where you'll find software protected platform. Now from here, just look for backup product key default. And here you will find your Windows product key license. And that's it, guys. As you can see right here, it's currently showing it. And that's it. Just go ahead and save this, take a screenshot, write it down. But that's how you easily find your Windows product key. So the next time you format or reset your PC, you will have your product key license ready to activate your PC. And that's it. Very easy and very simple.